guys, it's Adam from the Wilderness Perspective, and I've got my nephew Zane and my daughter Ivy here with me today, and we have Zane's Owl Pellet Field Biology Kit from pelletsincorporated.com that he got for his birthday, and he wanted to bring it over here and make a video on it with us and really just go through it and see what was inside because
I wanted to see what kind of bones we could find.
So we're going to go digging for some bones in this owl pellet business. I have never done this personally, not even in high school, and I think this is a first for Zane as well, right?
Yeah.
So let's get started.
Hello guys, it's me Zane. We're about to open this and see what's inside. And so let's get started. Here's the owl pellets. Looks like we got a little tool down there. We got a tool to grab them out. Got a little bag. Got a little field biology thing. Shows you all the different bones you can find. All the heads, all that. Shows you all of that. So this is going to be really fun. It gives you 2 pellets. Also gives you a tool to pick it out with. It also gives you the bag to put the bones in.
I believe your kit is actually missing something. On the back of the box there it says that you're supposed to get a magnifying lens. Is there a lens in there somewhere?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
it's like clear.
We missed something.
So, these are the things it comes with. I'm going to go ahead and put away my knife. And
Responsibility first, right?
Yep.
Alright. Here's the one that he has given me to explore with. So again, these are owl pellets, and these owl pellets, the box says that these actually come from a barn owl. So we'll see what a barn owl likes to eat. And for those of you who don't know, an owl pellet is what an owl regurgitates after it eats mice or birds or insects or things like that. Whatever its stomach can't digest, it'll compress and spit back up as an owl pellet. So ooh, it looks like a turd. Ooh.
Let me see. Oh, that is gross. Ew, it's like moldy.
It looks like.
You have gloves.
No, it looks like a mouse mummy.
Feel it. Feel it.
Feel it?
Feel it. Touch it. Touch
And there's like some hairs and.
Oh, touch it. Touch it, Abby.
Oh boy.
Wait, get it out of the video.
There's some bones right there.
Touch it. Okay, so start opening it.
Alright, yeah, let's open them
Can I
up.
try some of
I'm going to use my knife here to crack it open.
Can I try taking it a little? Doing it?
It's up to him, it's his.
Oh, I already found something.
Oh.
Let me feel the inside of it, man. Try to get it open with your knife, like my daddy did.
So, this seems like a lot of fur to me. What do you think? Oh!
What?
Oh, there's a skull!
Let me see. Oh.
This one has a whole head in it.
Let me see.
Look and see if you guys can see the orange teeth.
Oh, we got something big. I got something big. Skull too.
Look at this little bitty bone.
Oh, you're using the tweezers now? I'm using my hands, straight hands.
So here is this one. Can you see the teeth?
This is
Little
gross.
teeth right here.
See? Is there any? Yeah, you check in there. We gotta clean it up. Are these real bones, Daddy?
Yes.
Yeah, it's real bones, not like the crystal. Look, what kind of fur is this, though?
Probably mouse fur.
Viewer discretion is advised. Please don't watch this while you're eating. Do we have to wash our hands after, Daddy?
What do you think? You're touching dead bodies.
Definitely, yeah. Can I try picking it a little? Doing it?
It's up to him. It's his.
Oh, I already found something. Like, I'm just trying to be so careful with it. I don't want to break anything.
Oh, yeah, I know.
What's that? I don't know. Oh, shoot. I think Zane found a skull, too. Oh, what? Look at that, guys. Oh, it's coming out.
Yeah, this one has all kinds of...
Oh, gosh. Get the mouse bone out.
Well, he's working on it, baby.
Wait.
Don't rush him.
Oh, mine's a bird.
It's a bird?
Has to be. No, one of it's jaws. Oh, no, it's a jaw. Here's it's a jaw. Here's a jaw, too. I found a tooth. Put it over here.
Yeah, I've got some teeth right here, too.
Look at the teeth.
And I'm not sure.
If you guys can see that, there's some teeth right there. Let me see. Some tiny teeth. Don't break it. Don't, be hard on it.
I'm not sure if this jaw is supposed to be attached to the skull that I have.
Daddy, look.
I bet it is.
Look. This was ancient.
Yep. So here is this one.
You put it back in?
Can you see the teeth?
This is gross.
Teeth right here.
Mine looks kind of weird. Oh, look at that piece, guys. Guys, I'm going to do this one. This is my third one. I found a bone right there. It's a big one. Let me get it all out. It's really easy to get it. Holy moly, Zane, you got another teeth. I just pulled out that bone. Okay, this one's super big. This one's super big.
The hair is...
Guys, look how many bones we found.
The hair is what was holding it together. Got some teeth.
I don't know what this really is, but you guys might know. So comment down below what you think this bone is. Got 3 of these so far, so I will show you most of them, pretty much all of them.
This is the top skull of whatever it is I've been done digging. Here are its eye sockets there. And then underneath, you've got some teeth. How neat is that?
Pretty much all of them.
These bottom jaws here came apart. They weren't really joined. But there's an inside view and an outside view. You can see those big chompers are attached to the bone.
I ate 3.
Small, medium, and large.
I think I ate 3
This little one on the end doesn't have the teeth coming out of the tip. But it does have little bitty teeny tiny teeth. This is a weird little bone. Oh, interesting.
That one's one of my biggest ones. Right here. I really like it. In here.
Here we go. Little rib bones.
After cutting for a few seconds, wanted to spread out all of my pieces, and I was going to show them one by one. So now I'm going to use these tweezers, and if you want, I will zoom in for them. You can see that? Okay, so there's a couple of bones that kind of look the same to me, so I will put those next to each other. These kind of look the same, don't you guys think? Comment down in the comments if you think they look the same. I'll put kind of bones next to kind of bones. Put skull next to skull. Look at that. So these are my jaw bones right there, I think. So there's some dough.
Nope, I missed this one. There's a jaw in it.
Me the camera face you.
See how tiny? Right here. Those are probably little toe bones.
They have toes.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. That has to be a tail.
Found a tail.
What do you guys think? That's gotta be a tail.
So these are all the little bones we've got. We don't know which one's which. They might be a mouse, they might be a bird. Comment down below which bone you liked the most.
Alright guys, so we've got a mess here. We've got lots of bones and fur
Very much a mess.
laying everywhere. But we've kind of, sort of, maybe a little bit, possibly have put together one skeleton. So lots of little bones left. It's going to be the metatarsals and the metacarpals up here. Going to be tiny things hard to find, and these little tail bones. But otherwise, we found pretty much everything we needed, and multiples of each. So if you really are a pretty great bone scientist, then you may be able to really separate these bones. In my pellet, I ended up finding probably, it was 3 or 4 skulls total.
I'll be right back.
I think that might be a bird skull possibly. But 3 or 4 skulls total, and he found, I believe it was 2 in his. Alright, so Zane, on a scale of 1 to 10, how fun was this to you?
11.
11, so he really enjoyed it. So I'm an adult, 28 years old, and I enjoyed it as well. I never got to do this in high school, like I said earlier, but I really had a good time digging through it and looking at the bones. I thought that was pretty cool. So just finishing up here, this little field biology kit here, it has a dichotomous key in it. So you go through the dichotomous key and you can measure your skulls with a little ruler that you have on the inside of the page here. Measure your bones, and it'll help you identify what that bone goes to in the book. There's different things like shrews, rodents, moles, voles, and birds inside of here. So lots of different things. My GoPro's going crazy. Anyways, lots of different things to look at in the book here to try to identify, and it even tells you where to find your own owl pellets. If you really like this and you want to go find some more, it suggests to go looking in barns. Barns are a good place to find them, looking underneath the rafters and stuff where maybe an owl family has a nest. It says they'll eat their animals and then they'll spit these out the next day. They'll regurgitate them. So check around owl nests if you want to find your own, and check out this dichotomous key to identify what you found in the box here. And I would recommend this product. So this is the Owl Pellet Field Biology Kit by Pellets Inc. It's www.pelletsinc.com where you can order one. So thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, remember to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.